Example 4. Example 4. Now example 4, look at the screen. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. A and B can do a piece of work in 18 days. And B and C can do it in 24 days. B और C उस काम के दिन करते हैं 24 days. Okay, fine. This is also mentioned. And A and C can do it in 36 days. A and C उसी काम के दिन में करते हैं 36 days में करते हैं. Okay. Now this parameter is mentioned in the question. Okay. Now what? In how many days A, B and C finish it together and separately? You need to calculate A, B and C together कितने दिन में complete करते हैं, and second A कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेंगे, B कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेंगे, एंड C इंडिपेंडेंटली कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेंगे. तो देयर इज टू काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन कम्स इन दिस. फर्स्ट A, B and C कंप्लीट द एंटायर वर्क टुगेदर एंड इंडिपेंडेंटली अलग अलग कितने दिन में कंप्लीट करेंगे. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाट इज माय फर्स्ट स्टेप टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल वर्क डन बाय टेकिंग एलसीएम. वेरी गुड. सो पहले क्या करेंगे, हम एलसीएम निकालते हैं. तो एलसीएम किससे निकालना है, 18, 24 एंड 36 का. तो देखिए यहाँ 18, 24, 36. You need to calculate the LCM. Okay. So this comes 3, 3 6 are 3 8 are 12. Okay. 3 3 2 are 6, 8, 4, 2 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are then 2 1 2 1 2. So 3 3 are 9, 18, 18 2 are 36, 2 are 72. So the LCM of 18, 24, 36 is how much unit? This is 72 units. So this is my total work done, which need to complete, right? So this unit is my total work. तो total work कितना है, 72 unit आपको बनाना है. Okay. So to manufacturing 72 units, A and B take 18 days. So what is A plus B's 1 day work? Okay, so 72 मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करने के लिए A और B 18 दिन लेते हैं. So what is A plus B's 1 day work? 72 unit divided by 18. It means A and B produces 4 units per day. एक दिन में 4 यूनिट बनाते होंगे. Now what is B plus C's 1 day work? So what is B plus C's 1 day work? So 72 is total unit. 24 days both take to complete the job. It means they produces 3 units per day. Now what is A plus B? A plus C is 1 day work. So A plus C is 1 day work. Now 72 is the total unit. So you write 72 is the total unit. And A and C together take 36 days. So how many units they produce together? So 36 2s are 2 units. Both produce directly. Now this is the per day work now already calculated. A and B 1 day work is 4 unit per day. B and C 1 day work is 3 unit per day. A plus C 1 day work is 2 unit per day. Now you need to add all. So now if I am adding all, you will get 2 multiplied by A plus B plus C. Why I am getting this 2 multiplied by A plus B plus C? Because there is 2A, 2B and 2C. If you add all, you will get 2 of A plus B plus C. 1 day work. So what is 2 multiply of A plus B plus C 1 day work is the addition of all these 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9 units. Okay. Now you need to calculate what A plus B plus C together complete the entire job. Okay. So first you calculate what is A plus B plus C is 1 day work. This is what 2A plus B plus C 1 day work is 9. So what is A plus B plus C 1 day work? 9 divided by 2 units. Okay. So this is A plus B plus C 1 day work. यानी एक दिन में A, B, C मिल करके 9 by 2 यूनिट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. टोटल यूनिट कितना बनाना है, 72 यूनिट. ओके. सो नाउ A plus B plus C work together to complete this 70 unit in how many days? 72. Divide by per day कितना बनाना है, इतना यूनिट 9 by 2. So this 2 goes up. This is 72 multiply by 2 divide by 9. 9 8s are 72. 8 2s are 16. It means that A plus B plus C together can complete the entire work in 16 days. So first problem solved. So again I am repeating, LCM of 18, 24, 36 give you the total production. Okay, total unit we need to complete. So in 72 unit production, A plus B take 18 days. So what is A plus B? 1 day work, 4 unit per day. B plus C take production of 72 units in 24 days. So what is B plus C? Is 1 day work. 72 divided by 24, it means 3 units per day. B plus C together produces. Now what is A plus C? Complete this 72 unit in 36 days. So what is A plus C? Is 1 day work. 72 divided by 36, you will get 2 unit per day. Now if you add, you will get 2 multiply of A, B and C, because you have 2A, A plus B plus C plus A plus C. So you have 2A, 2B, 2C. So you will get 2A plus 2B plus 2C. If you take L common, you will get 2A plus B plus C. I have written here, right? So 2A plus B plus C 1 day work is 9 unit. So what is A plus B plus C 1 day work? So this is 9 by 2 unit. So what is, since this is 1 day work and you need to complete what? 72 units. So how many times together A, B, C take to complete the job? Total unit production divided by per day work. So you will get 16 days. So 16 days A and B and C take to complete the entire job. Now this is one question solved. Now in second it mentioned that you need to calculate one more parameter, and that is independent work. A कितना टाइम लगाएगा कंप्लीट करने के लिए, B कितना टाइम लगाएगा and C कितना टाइम लगाएगा. Okay. So now I'm going to solve independent work. Okay. Independent work. Now I already calculate one thing. A plus B plus C is 1 day work. 1 day work. And that is how much? 9 by 2 units. So A plus B plus C is 1 day work is what? 9 by 2 units, in which B plus C takes 3 units per day. So I am writing here B plus C is 1 day work. So B plus C plus A, B plus C is 1 day work is what? 3 units. 3 units. Okay, fine. So if I subtract this, what you will get? If I subtract this, so B and B gone, C and C gone, you will get A is 1 day work. तो A का एक दिन का कितना हो गया? 9 by 2 minus of 3. So this is 3 to the 6. 9 minus 6, 3 by 2. It means 3 by 2 unit produced by A in 1 day. So A produced 3 by 2 units 1 day. तो कितना यूनिट बनाना है आपको? 72 यूनिट बनाना है. तो A takes how many times to complete this 72 unit? 72 units need to produce. Divide by per day work is 3 by 2. So this 2 comes up, it will get 72 multiply by 2 divide by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So 24 into 2, it means A takes 48 days to complete this 72 units. When in manufacturing, how many units per day? 3 by 2 units per day. So A takes 48 units. Now this is A's independent work. Now similarly I am going to calculate this B. So A per day, A complete the work in 48 days. 48 days. Now B, तो देखिए A plus B plus C का 1 day work कितना है? 1 day work. 1 day work कितना है? 9 by 2 units. Okay, fine. In which A plus C, क्योंकि मुझे B निकालना है, A plus C का 1 day work निकाल लीजिए. A plus C 1 day work is already mentioned. A plus C 1 day work is what? 2 units. 2 units. Now I am going to subtract this value. If you are going to subtract this, A and A gone, C and C gone, you are left with B's. So what is B's 1 day work? So B's 1 day work is what? 9 by 2 minus 2, 2 2s are 4. So this comes 5 by 2 units. So 5 by 2 units produced by B 1 day. Okay. Total unit कितना बनना है उसको? 72 units is my total work. So B take how many days to complete this 72 unit? 72 units need to complete. And every day B manufacturing how many units? 5 by 2. So if I divide this value, you will get B's completion date. Okay. So this is what? 144 divided by 5 days. So B takes 144 divided by 5 days to complete the job. Now third part. Now I am going to solve the third part of calculation. So first you note down this. Okay. First you note down this. So I am going to rub this one. A is down. Okay. Now how you calculate C's 1 day work? C's का भी निकालना है, C completion date. So I know A plus B plus C's 1 day work. So what is A plus B plus C's 1 day work? 9/2 units. Where B plus A plus B's 1 day work, I know A plus B 1 day work. A plus B's 1 day work is what? 4 units. So I am writing here 4 units. Now if you subtract this value, what you will get? A and A gone, B and B gone. So C's 1 day work. What is C's 1 day work? 9/2 minus 4. So 2 4s are 8, minus 9 minus 8 comes 1/2 units. So C produces 1/2 units per day. Okay. So how much unit need to produce? 72 units. So C take this unit is C manufacturing 1/2 unit. So if I divide this 1 day work, you will get the total completion day. So C takes 72 multiplied by 2. It comes C takes 144 days to complete the job. So this is the question based on LCM method separately and working together. So why again I am repeating my word? LCM method is really very simple to calculate. Once you command this now, then you will enjoy this method. So always prefer in work and time problem LCM method. More accurate, more convenient, more easy to solve. सिंपल है कि टोटल वर्क निकाल लो जो एलसीएम है और 1 डे वर्क निकाल के डिवाइड कर दीजिए, आपको मिल जाएगा कंप्लीशन डेट. आई होप up to 1 2 3 4 if you command 1 2 3 4 question straight away, definitely your level is increases. Again it will increase and increase. I'm sure about it. More question I will going to solve in the next class. In the next lecture video, I'll give you the basic concept along with 3 or 4 questions again. Okay, thank you so much.